Good morning, everyone. My name is Simon Knapp. I'm from Murrelektronik. And I want to invite you to my presentation for today to say bye-bye to your cabinet. For those of you who may be not aware and don't know Murrelektronik, we are a company which soon 50 years of experience in the field of automation technology, cables, I/O modules, and all what is needed to get a machine running. But today's topic is not automation at all. It is about a vision system. Today, I would say a vision system looks like that. You have several components in the field. You have sensors, cameras, light, and all of them are wired long way back to one specific point. The fun thing is, most times you have not only one station where you have something to read or to identify, you have multiple. So you do it multiple times, multiple length, wires, and so on and so on. For us, as a specialist for technology and automation, we would say that's not the target we should have because it's inefficient. It is too complex. It is a time-consuming installation, maintenance. Everything overall, it's too costly for everything. So I would like to invite you to go with me into a different direction and think about it to go decentralized. The nomination we had, and thanks for that, it's a great honor for us to get on a Vision show nominated on an award as an automation supplier. We have our Xelity Hybrid Switch. You can think about the hybrid switch from us in a way that you say, it's your connectivity hub. The connectivity hub, Xelity Hybrid Switch, combines two main points for your vision system. Communication for data transmission and the power. And this is done for multiple cameras by reducing the wiring efforts. We provide industrial interfaces. We provide a fast deployment by pre-molded, pre-configured cables for a plug-and-play feeling for your vision system as well. We support you with a hybrid switch also for your improvements of performance, less downtime, faster setup time. That everything pays into your cost savings. And how we can make it work for you. We go decentralized. So that means we will cut the long wires from sensor, light, everything else from the field back to the panel. We go straight where it is needed. So with our hybrid switch, you have the possibility and you are enabled to have only one connection back to your panel. It's a data communication that you have a connection to your facility network. Everything else, we go right there where we need it. We go with a power supply to supply the hybrid switch, and over this, we supply multiple devices in the field. All system components are connected to the switch. The switch is your decentral, but it's a central point. Everything is wired, plug and play. And the good thing is, it's easily to adapt. So that means it's not only the part that you are connecting your system right now. With the system, you are enabled, you are able to say, OK, I need an adaptation of my configuration. I need an additional station, inspection station. Today's solution, you have to think about the space in your cabinet. What is necessary to change? Do I have enough space in the panel? Do I have enough power there? What do I need? The scalability, the easy plug-and-play feeling of them It's also possible if you say, yeah, I need another station next to this one. Daisy chain option is a part and a crucial part from our hybrid switch. So that means you can multiply, you can add several devices into the daisy chain ports and extend your application step by step. To see this, I invite you to say goodbye to your panel and hello to our solution. You have only to go a few steps across the aisle, and then you can see our solution right next to your solution live. Thanks for the opportunity to speak about our solution, and I wish everyone a good day. Thank you.